The Input section provides complete control over the inputs of Dana Pro amplifiers, allowing you to configure input parameters independently for each device. Each amplifier offers management for all 16 AES inputs and 8 analog inputs. The analog input sensitivity can be set between +4 dBu and +16 dBu. Additionally, you can adjust the input gain for each input and assign personalized names to simplify identification and management. The routing section grants access to a highly flexible input-to-output routing matrix, tailored to each amplifier. You can assign inputs to outputs by selecting tick boxes and entering gain values directly beside them. The sum function allows you to mix signals from multiple inputs into a single output seamlessly. You can also fine-tune comparative input gain levels and assign a single input to multiple outputs as needed. Once your routing configuration is complete, you have the option to save it as a preset for future use.